So now we're going to go ahead and make one of our special variations of the sonomono. This time we're going to use our ebi and our octopus. So in our restaurant, we are using plain cucumbers with no salt. In a lot of restaurants you'll find that they'll use salted cucumbers. The reason that we're doing this is that without the salt, they end up lasting a very long time. So now we have our 1 cup. We're going to go ahead and put it into our bowl. We're going to make it look like a mountain. And especially when you're using the shrimp, you really want to make sure that you have a very nice peak on the mountain so that the shrimp will stay upright. So here we have our mountain shape. Now it's time to go ahead and add our sonomono dressing. 1, 2, 3. Good to go. Now we'll go ahead and take our sesame seeds and spread them all the way around on our top of our cucumbers. So now we have one last variation for you. We're going to do a combination of the shrimp and octopus. We'll go ahead and start by taking our octopus and finding a nice spot for it right in the center. Then we're going to take 2 pieces of our shrimp and we're going to place them together right next to our octopus. Now that we have them sitting together, we'll go ahead and take a little bit of our sonomono dressing and go ahead and just put a dot on both of them. Then it's time to go ahead and take a little bit of our paper thin ginger.
Sono questa, lo capisci, non ti basta, lascia stare, non pensarci più.